graphic designer. What they do. Graphic designers create visual concepts using computer software or by hand to communicate ideas that inspire, inform, and captivate consumers. They develop the overall layout and production design for applications such as advertisements, brochures, magazines, and reports. Duties. Graphic designers typically do the following: meet with clients or the art director to determine the scope of a project. Use digital illustration, photo editing software, and layout software to create designs. Create visual elements such as logos, original images, and illustrations to help deliver a message. Design layouts, including selection of colors, images, and typefaces. Present design concepts to clients or art directors. Incorporate changes recommended by clients or art directors into final designs. Review designs for errors before printing or publishing them. Graphic designers, also referred to as graphic artists or communication designers, combine art and technology to communicate ideas through images and the layout of websites and printed pages. They may use a variety of design elements to achieve artistic or decorative effects. Graphic designers work with both text and images. They often select the type, font, size, color, and line length of headlines, headings, and text. Graphic designers also decide how images and text will go together in print or on a web page, including how much space each will have. When using text and layouts, graphic designers collaborate with writers who choose the words and decide whether the words will be put into paragraphs, lists, or tables. Using images, text, and color, graphic designers may transform data into visual graphics and diagrams to make complex ideas more accessible. Graphic design is important to market and sell products, and it is a critical component of brochures and logos. Therefore, graphic designers often work closely with people in advertising and promotions, public relations, and marketing. Frequently, designers specialize in a particular category or type of client. For example, some designers create the graphics used on product packaging, and others may work on the visual designs used on book jackets. Graphic designers need to keep up to date with software and computer technologies to remain competitive. Some individuals with a background in graphic design become post-secondary teachers and teach in design schools, colleges, and universities. Some graphic designers specialize in experiential graphic design. These designers work with architects, industrial designers, landscape architects, and interior designers to create interactive design environments, such as museum exhibitions, public arts exhibits, and retail spaces. Work environment. Graphic designers held about 254,100 jobs in 2020. The largest employers of graphic designers were as follows: self-employed workers about 19%, specialized design services about 9%, advertising, public relations, and related services about 8%, printing and related support activities about 7%, and newspaper, periodical, book, and directory publishers about 4%. Graphic designers work in studios, where they have access to drafting tables, computers, and software. Although many graphic designers work independently, those who work for specialized graphic design firms are often part of a design team. Many graphic designers collaborate with colleagues or work with clients on projects. Work schedules. Graphic designers' schedules vary depending on workloads and deadlines. Those self-employed may need to adjust their workday to meet with clients in the evenings or at weekends. In addition, they may spend some of their time looking for new projects or competing with other designers for contracts. How to become one. Graphic designers usually need a bachelor's degree in graphic design or a related field. Candidates for graphic design positions should have a portfolio that demonstrates their creativity and originality. Education. Graphic designers typically need a bachelor's degree in graphic design or a related fine arts field. People who have a bachelor's degree in another field may complete technical training in graphic design to meet most hiring qualifications. Licenses, certifications, and registrations. Certification programs are available through software product vendors. Certification in graphic design software demonstrates competence and may provide job seekers with a competitive advantage. Advancement. Experienced graphic designers may advance to chief designer, art director, or other supervisory positions. Important qualities: analytical skills, artistic ability, communication skills, computer skills, creativity, time management skills. Pay. The median annual wage for graphic designers was $53,380 in May 2020. The median wage is when half the workers in an occupation earned more than that amount, and half earned less. The lowest 10% earned less than $31,720, and the highest 10% earned more than $93,440. In May 2020, the median annual wages for graphic designers in the top industries in which they worked were as follows: advertising, public relations, and related services, $55,800. Specialized design services, $54,840. Newspaper, periodical, book, and directory publishers, $45,170. Printing and related support activities, $41,490. Graphic designers' schedules vary depending on workload and deadlines. Those self-employed may need to adjust their workday to meet with clients in the evenings or at weekends. In addition, they may spend some of their time looking for new projects or competing with other designers for contracts. Job outlook. The employment of graphic designers is projected to grow 3% from 2020 to 2030, slower than the average for all occupations. Despite limited employment growth, about 23,900 openings for graphic designers are projected each year, on average over the decade. Most of those openings are expected to result from the need to replace workers who transfer to different occupations or exit the labor force, such as retirement. Employment. As companies continue to increase their digital presence, graphic designers may be needed to help create visually appealing and effective layouts of websites.